Yeah, good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Excellent Monies. Today in morning, when I about to go to my office, I get the notification on my phone that you never pay the cable TV payment. Now, if and your connection was disconnected, now you have to pay penalty 10,000 naira either to reconnect. I was surprised how I forget. Then, because there's no option, I have to pay. Otherwise, connection they cannot reconnect it. Now, I reach office. I decide I'll make some things. Who can remind me? And I supposed to be know before some days that this thing is going to expire and what is the due date for that one, and immediately they will show a reminder. Let's go to our screen. Yes, now we came to our screen. Now we are looking here the sum, what we buy and what is the date of purchase and tenure, how many days, for how many months we already paid and when will be the expiry date. First of all, the start times, we buy on 25th of January 2022. DSTV we buy on 1st January 2022. Bank loan we buy on 11th Feb 2021 for 24 month. Insurance policy 23rd of June 2022 for 12 months. School fees for 9 months and loan club fees for 12 months. Vehicle license will expire. Road tax. Now what we have to do? Now we have to calculate which date they are going to expire. I'm using the formula. Let me show you. Is equal to E date. Okay. E date this comma date of purchase comma tenure either month, close the bracket. You can see this, the start time subscription will expire on 25th of November 2022. Now we have to do same copy here. It will become accordingly. Now go for the day left. If from today, how many days left to expire? Now we are going to use is equal to this is equal to expired on minus today TODAY close open and close bracket minus 1. You can see from today 26 days remain. You have to do copy. Each day is calculated. Now we can see here for start times we subscribe for 10 months. This will be expired next month 25th of November 2022, and from today 26 days is left. Today is 29th of October 2022. Now come the important issues. This we already get, but we want to know before expiry if somebody give us reminder that is going to expire, so we can make arrangement for payment. Suppose on expiry day we are not around, either we go somewhere. If we receive any notification, any reminder before a specific time, you can choose 7 days, you can choose 30 days, because always I prefer 30 days, because before 1 month if we knows you can pay money on time. If suppose 7 days, sometime on 7 days if you're not around, you cannot pay, and that will be expired, and after that you have to pay the reconnection charges in the cable TV, either the either the any membership fees, like a bank loan. If you lapse to make the payment, you will feel as a you bank will declare you defaulter because you failed to pay your installment of bank loan. Same thing for road tax. Government will apply the penalty on you. Same for house tax, school fees. If you fail to pay, they will tell, they will send the remind, they will send the notice to you. You fail to pay. Let's see how we are going to use. Please read very well formula is equal to if days left less than 30 days left today, from today, open and close bracket, plus 30, because you want 30. If you don't want 30, you want 7, you can put 7 days also, comma, open quote. Now you can write semi the other alert. Let me write ALERT. Either you can say send reminder, but I always prefer send reminder. Send reminder, close quote, comma, open quote and close quote, and close the bracket. You can see send reminder will come automatically, because this, the first one, start times, this will be expired now. This is the less than 30 days before expiry, so this will send reminder to us. Now just to scroll down, it will come automatically. Now we have to put the reminder formula. Let's put if, let me make it bold so easy for understand, is equal to if, open bracket, expired on, less than TODAY today, open bracket, close bracket, plus 30. If you want to find or get the reminder before 30 days, so you can use 30, otherwise you can use less, open quote, send reminder, close, comma, open quote and close quote, and close the, you can see here, because this is 26 days is here. Now you have to do either you have to drag down. You can see only these 2 days is here. These 2 days. So this can enable you to find when we are going to pay, and this will be sent reminder before 30 days. Here, why not? This is 29 days, 15, 90. So I hope you understand. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.